My name is Adeso Agawa. I'm from Nigeria. I studied International Public Relations and Global Communications Management Master's degree at Cardiff University. I'm here at Tramshare Tech, part of the MLAN placement, working on my business Ashake Beauty. I'll recommend MLAN to other students and other people because you have a support system that supports you throughout your journey. The MLAN placement offered me amazing opportunities to work alongside other talented and brilliant entrepreneurs. I like that I could share ideas with them, speak with them, and then basically get enough courage to pursue my dream. It's been amazing because you get paired with a mentor and being able to just bounce your ideas off someone, tell them what you hope to achieve, and then the person just supports you because the person has experience or connects you with someone that is experienced in what you want to do. I think it's been amazing. The enterprise team has been awesome. It's given me the confidence to go ahead with my dream. At first, I wasn't really sure if this is what I wanted to do. And I think it's a scary ride, but the MLAN placement has given me that comfort zone to be able to push forward and achieve something.